Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And I have to admit, guys, I kind of struggled to find one today. In my option scanner, I mean, we had some nice ones, but they're rather choppy. So, I'm looking for a little bit smoother action. So this one actually, though, came from the AI, SCWX. You can see where the alert was. It was to short it right at 2101. Now, on the surface, why would I look at this one? Well, okay, it's kind of a little bit choppy also. It's at 2038 right now. But if you look at the daily chart, look what's happened. Now, I don't see any specific news on it. I couldn't find any news. I think that there's a new CEO from yesterday. That might be the reason. Maybe the previous one resigned abruptly. I'm not sure. But what intrigued me also about it is that we could have, a second day move down. Look where the support is, around 18, and we're sitting at 20. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I mean that's what kind of got me interested in this one, because even when if you're in the trading room, you always hear me say look left, look left, look left, and wow, when you look left, there's a support level that's about $2 away. So. Again, not a great day in my opinion of stocks that were really trending well, but this one certainly caught my eye, and this was from the AI. So SCWX is the trade of the day. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. Hope to see you then. Bye bye.